So in the question we have volume of liquid is equal to half the volume of vessel. Volume of liquid is VL, volume of vessel is VC. And its density rho is equal to 2D and its coefficient of apparent expansion is X. Another half is filled with another liquid. So again its volume is equal to half the volume of container and its density is given, it is 2x, and its coefficient of volume apparent expansion is 2x. Its density is D. Both of their temperatures are raised by 2 degrees. We need to find the mass of liquid expelled out. So mass of liquid expelled out is equal to delta V1 plus delta V2.
Pause. Lock marker.
We need to find the mass of liquid expelled out. Delta V1 plus delta V2 is the volume of liquid expelled out. Delta V1 is the change in volume of liquid 1. This is the values for liquid 1. These are the values for liquid 2. So for liquid 1, volume is equal to half the volume of contain. We know delta V is equal to V gamma delta T. So we'll use the same formula. So V of liquid 1 is half the volume of container into gamma is equal to X, delta T is 2, plus for liquid 2, half the volume of container into gamma is 2x into delta T, it is 2. So 2 will get cancelled for both of them. So Vc into x plus Vc into 2x. So if it becomes 3 Vc x. This is the volume expelled out. We know density is equal to mass by volume. So if this is the container, 1 minute wait. So if this is the container, half of the volume is filled by one liquid, that is liquid 1. So this much is filled by liquid 1 and the rest half is filled by liquid 2. This is the volume for liquid, this much is filled by liquid 2 and this is filled by liquid 1. So on heating, liquid 2 will expel out. Only after liquid 2 get expelled out, then liquid 1 will get expelled. So we should consider the density of liquid 2. So now we'll replace it in this formula. We got the volume. This is the volume which is going to be expelled out. We know density is equal to mass by volume. So mass is equal to density into volume. Density of liquid 2 we should consider because it is going to get expelled out. So density of liquid 2 is D into volume which is getting expelled is 3 Vcx. Vc in the book, Vc is given, it's just taken as V. So I'm just taking it as V into density is 3V into X. Vc and V are same, they are the volume of containers. So this is the mass of the liquid which is getting expelled out. So the option is 3.